If you want to see how I did this spooky glitter skull, then keep watching. So for this look I will be using the Halloween edition glitter set by Ecostardust. I'll leave a link to that down below. So firstly I went into this pink face paint and I painted around the eye, and while the paint was still wet I added this dark pink glitter. I then painted in the skull nose with the pink, and I also painted it on the cheekbones as well, and as I was going along while the paint was still wet I was just adding the glitter because that's what really makes it stick. Painted around the eyes and the nose and the cheeks with the black face paint, and then I just did the same thing with this beautiful black glitter, like glitters gold, and while the black paint was still wet I just added the black glitter. Normally when I do my skull face paints I do them all the same and I have a really set skull I do, but this one's actually a bit different, like the teeth are a bit of a different shape, so I'm not sure what I think, but you'll have to let me know. So anyway, I painted the teeth in with a white paint, and then I started to paint the rest of the face in with white, and I just added this silver glitter as I went along. As you can see I didn't paint the bottom teeth in because I always leave those until last. I think I was drinking a glass of white wine while I was doing this, like you do, but I always like to leave my lips clear so that I can have some food or a drink if I want to. To make it a bit more skull-like I painted in a big crack on the forehead and I added black glitter to that. Then went into a black eyeshadow and I started to shade around the skull and add some details. It was quite difficult because of the glitter. Obviously I added quite a lot of texture, so it wasn't that easy, but I had to add that to make it look a bit more 3D. I then went into a white face paint and I just highlighted different areas around the skull. Using a white paint I just painted on a really basic exposed esophagus bone, is that the right word? I don't know, but yeah, I just did that really simple with the white paint and then added the silver glitter, and then around the edges I just painted the rest of my neck black, and then I went into this bigger brush by Ecostardust and I just patted on the black and gold glitter. I then put in some pure white contact lenses by a company called Top's Face. I have a discount code for them and I think they have some really good Halloween deals on at the moment, so I'll link those down below. And this is the finished look. It's quite a simple glitter skeleton. Please check out Ecostardust glitters, they're really amazing, biodegradable, vegan and cruelty free. So as you can see I'm getting in the mood for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.